2 o'clock in the morning? Man, this is really early. This is going to be a long drive. We're on our way to Ontario Convention Center in Ontario, California. We're going to meet up with InterNACHI, and we're going to go over a lot of stuff over the next 2 days for education. Looking forward to it, but hopefully I can stay awake on the drive.
So let's think about that. Navigation systems. How many of you know what a Thomas guide is? You remember when we used to drive down the freeway at 70? We cannot look at our phone. We can't do anything else today because we're incapable. But somehow we were able to use a Thomas guide that got us from point A to B to be successful so that we can make some money